Hey guys, I'm going to show you an Afterpatch to getting the unlimited death machine. It also works for the Ragnaroks and the Flamethrower special weapons. This Afterpatch method is a little bit easier than the first one. You don't have to take it down, but you will have to acquire the Blundergat. Luckily, the frequency and probability of getting the Blundergat out of the mystery box is pretty high, so you're not going to have to spend a lot of points trying to get it. There is another way to guarantee a Blundergat, but that requires you to feed zombies to the dogs and do steps for the Hell's Retriever. So just fishing it out of the box is a lot faster for this method. You will need to turn on the power in the powerhouse and building 64 and then start collecting the parts for the shield. You need to collect a essence off of one of the shock boxes. You need to kill a Brutus for the key, and then you'll find the door piece laying around the building 64 area. Once you have the 3 parts, you can build the shield on one of the 3 locations and then grab that and head up on to the roof. And you want to pull out the shield and use the key to collect 3 zombie souls. Once you have the 3 zombie souls, just head over to that shock box to the right of the Pack-a-Punch location, pull out the shield, and then hold down left trigger and then hit right trigger to activate the voltage. You will need 5,000 points for this part, and you want to put your weapon into the Pack-a-Punch machine so that you're left with just the Blundergat and not a second weapon. Now you need to collect the parts for the Acid Gat, and once you have the Warden's key, that's easy to do. There's one location in the infirmary. There's another location inside of the warden's office, inside of this gated area. And this third and final piece is located between the powerhouse and the new industries building in this tunnel. You will have to open this up, pick up the last part, and then you're ready to build the Acid Gat. There is a workbench just located down this tunnel area right here. So build the Acid Gat, put the Blundergat in it. Once you do, you're going to be left with no weapons. It's going to pull out your shield, and all you have to do is hit left and right bumper or whatever your controller is set to be able to pull out your special weapon, and obviously make sure that it's charged and accessible. Once you pull it out, you're going to see that green bar start to deplete, and when it's completely gone, you'll still be holding out the special weapon, and it will be unlimited at this point. You won't be able to put the Ragnaroks down or do anything with them other than hold them out, and when you get near zombies, you can jump and it will kill everything around you. If you're using the death machine, same method. If you've got this in your loadout, you'll just pull it out and you will have an unlimited death machine. And there are some special attacks you can do with this, but you cannot do it with this glitch. You can only hold down right trigger and just shoot forever. This does also work with the Flamethrower, and the weapons level up to 2 and 3 and then max out. And when they switch over to level 2 and 3, it's just going to automatically switch them and you don't have to do anything. Right here I'm shooting with the Flamethrower and it's about to go to level 2, and all it does is just switch it to the next one. And it does the same thing for the Ragnaroks and also the death machine when it levels up to 2 and 3. For the Path of Sorrows katana, this glitch does not work. Whenever it's unlimited, you can just hold it out. You can't hold right or left trigger or do anything with it. Now, I've heard that there is a glitch you can do with this whenever you level it up to level 3 and then do this glitch, that all the zombies will ignore you. I haven't tried it yet because it doesn't sound too useful, but I will definitely check into it and let you guys know. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.